Here's how I'm doing a Super Beetle trailing arm bushing. I'm using the OEM ball joint press set I got from the local parts store to rent. I'll put a link if you need to buy one if your store doesn't have one. But anyway, so I'm using their spacer disc thing with their spacer that's hollow. So the what do you call it, bushing can drop down into it when I'm pressing it out. Then I've got a socket that fits the metal ring on the bushing, and also importantly won't get stuck in there, so you're not pressing the socket in. I think it's a 27mm. And then just put it on top with your impact of choice. Just got the DeWalt electric. Goes right through. Seems to be working. I've seen all kinds of people talk about trying to torch it and drill holes and all this stuff, but man, this seems super easy. I didn't even heat this up or use any kind of penetrating fluid, so if yours are really stuck, hit it with a torch, spray some PB or something in there and give it a go. Anyways, another short video. Another pic of that. Hope this helps you.